Hey, what's up, guys? For this episode, I think, well, I got 3 people coming today for their Fenders. So if you don't know, I wrote Fenders on the side. I figured that'd be pretty cool for the channel. And yeah, probably just gonna film that. Oh God, I'm so tired. And right now I'm just gonna finish getting ready. See you guys later. Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready. I'm about to head to the store right now to get some Thai basil and lemon so my girlfriend can make some Thai basil lemonade. But after that, we have our first Fender roll at 2 p.m. I believe. I'll see you guys then. All right guys, so I just picked up the Thai basil. I also got some bread. I'm on my way to Stater Brothers now, and I'm probably gonna go pick up some lemons from there and then back to the house, and I'll get those Fenders started. Got the lemons and some chips and other stuff too. Gotta have those snacks. And Chris here showed up with his Miata, so we're gonna roll all 4 corners today. Just how it looks before for the front. Chris is right there changing out his sways, or fixing his sways, right?
Adjusting my sway bars.
These are the rears right here. Those are gonna look great afterwards. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna get started. All right guys, so I already did the other rear quarter panel. This is how it looked before. It sticks out pretty wide, but the other one looks pretty good already. I'll show you guys that one in a bit. All right, so this is the Fender I just rolled right here on the right side. You can see the difference. This is what it started off as, and that's how much I pushed it up right there. Let me show you the other one too. This is the other side right here. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but there you go. All right guys, so I just finished up Chris's Miata. Really stoked on how it came out. Got the rears pulled like he wanted. Now I have another buddy showing up. He's pulling up his LS. And once he's up here, I'll show you guys the car. All right guys, we got Joe right there. This is his LS400. I'm gonna be rolling his Fenders today. You just got this thing dropped yesterday, huh? Yeah, we're gonna get these fenders sitting right. Then that fitment's gonna be perfect, man. Don't worry about it. I got you. Look at this side. Side's a little messed up, but I'm gonna end up fixing that. I'll show you guys the
the before, which is right now, and the after once I fix that baby. You'll see how good it looks. Alright guys, so this is the fender that I've been waiting to do. We're gonna fix it real quick right here because it's been pushed all the way out. And I'll show you the process for that. All you need is a handy dandy hammer. Alright guys, I got it in as best as I could. I'm pretty sure if you've seen the before, it was pretty bad, but there you go. You can see right here what the damage did before he rolled his fenders. But I rolled it, I tried to fix it as best as I could. It still left a little dent right there from the previous damage. But with it rolled now, there should be no more issues. Alright brother, peace. Hell yeah man, I'm glad you like the car dude. I'm glad I fixed this fender too. From right here man, it looks fucking perfect.
It was such a heavy driving.
Shit, I bet man, this thing was slammed to the floor. You couldn't even make it up the driveway. Alright man, drive safe, alright? Alright guys, so that was a full day of rolling fenders. I think I spent about maybe 4 hours today rolling 3 cars. Only recorded 2 because the last one I was pretty tired. But this is my outro. Hope you guys liked today's video. And yeah, there's more to come later. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.